Northern Lake, Indiana County in northwestern Indiana until 3 p.m. At 10:07 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 3 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, rapid onset flooding of creeks, streams, drainage ditches, streets, underpasses, low-lying areas, and other poor drainage areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Chicago, Hammond, Gary, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oakmont, Chicago Heights, Rosewood, South Shore, East Chicago, the poor drainage areas. Some locations that will experience flash poor drainage areas. Lansing, Oak Forest.
If it plays smaller and state web clock.
p.m. this afternoon for East Central Cook and Eastern DuPage counties. 3 a.m. Automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 inch in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard, flash flooding. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, rapid onset flooding of creeks, streams, drainage.